guys, welcome back to the channel.
It's JJ's turn and me's turn and Daddy's turn. So we're going to play this.
It is
hockey.
Wow. Hockey table. This is so cool. Check it out, guys.
Yeah, all day I like it. And I don't know why my brain likes it all.
Your brain likes it?
Yeah.
These guys love to play this whenever we go to time zone or anywhere like that. These guys love playing air hockey. So this is like the perfect gift for these guys.
Yes, but I don't know why my brain likes this.
You don't know why your brain likes it? What about you, Jeremy? How much do you like this?
I like it 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 already. We haven't even opened it yet. You look very nice today, baby, in your little tiara. You look at Lita's tiara, everyone. Hey, check it out.
And Daddy, when you see Daddy's friend at the shop, he didn't like Minnie Mouse. I'm scared of Minnie Mouse.
I don't know where Minnie Mouse came from, but anyway. And see our little sign behind for the Looney Mooney Fun Times, guys? You see that? That's very exciting. We've got our own little plaque for the wall. All right, guys, well, what do you think? Should we have a look at the box first of all?
Yes.
It's a pretty good box, you can
Open
see.
Open it.
Shows you the picture. It's actually battery operated, I can see. It says it on the back here. It's battery operated. It needs eight batteries to run this thing.
What?
So obviously it blows the air, so you can have air hockey, so you can actually hit the puck. So it'll be interesting to see how it works. Who are these guys having fun on the back there? What are their names? Lita, can you tell us what their names are? Who are these people here? These girls and boys?
That's me because I'm wearing pink.
Oh, okay. That's Lita wearing pink.
See, look.
Yeah.
And that's JJ.
Is that JJ, is it?
Yeah.
He's very
And that's
good.
me and JJ.
Well, all right. Well, should we open it up and get started? What do you think?
Yes.
Cool. Look at that. I opened it. Look at that, eh?
Oh,
It's exciting. It's exciting. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Here we go. Whoa. That's obviously the table, guys. There's the big table. So the batteries go in the back. Right
this
there.
box is going out of here.
And what do we got here? What do we got there? We got pieces.
And this is where we play.
Hey, look, it looks like it's pretty easy to put together, guys. Look at the instruction guide here. It's only got a few pieces to put together. That's pretty easy. It's much easier than the second one we had, the foosball table. Okay, let's open that one. The plastic, which we don't need.
Box.
Ah. The plastic we don't need, let's put that on there, like that. Oh.
They opened it for me.
Open that for you. This is easy.
Box.
Like this. You open like that.
I'm trying to get box back.
And this will be the pieces we have to put together. And then we can play, yeah?
I have box.
And here's the meshes. So
Box.
Alright, batteries are in. And I think we just have to turn it on now. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, do you hear that?
I can hear
the fan's going.
It's going.
Alright, so
I
if we
can
turn
feel
this
it.
over, if we turn it over, let me get the camera so
Oh, yes.
YouTubers, put the thing on and push it. Can you feel the air?
Yes, I can feel the
Feel the air on top of that?
It's just like normal.
Daddy can change it. Let's go fix your face.
So guys, what do? We play Lita versus JJ? Is that what we're playing?
Lita versus JJ.
Alright, next hit wins. The next hit is a winner. Jeremy! Jeremy wins one. And we're ready. The next basket wins.
Remember, you can block it, baby, like that.
Yeah. And Lita's going to have a shot. JJ's having a shot. Oh, JJ! Alright, and this will be the final one to determine the winner between JJ and Lita. Let's go. Last shot.
You go first.
Ooh, it's a tough battle. It's a tough battle.
Wait.
No.
Oh, Lita! Alright guys, well that was a bit of fun, wasn't it? Was that a bit of fun? It wasn't as good as I thought it would be, but you do have to lift it off the table. It seems that actually the air works better when the fan has more more room. So it does work better if you can get it off the table or put it on something with a big gap in the middle would be the way to play it. But it was pretty good fun, wasn't it, guys?
Yeah.
What did you think, Lita? Thumbs up from Lita. I think. Oh, what? Thumbs down? What? What? What does that mean? What does that mean?
Because JJ won a lot of times and I did it.
Oh, Lita didn't like it because JJ won a lot of times, and Lita only won a couple of times. But still, that's all part of the game, right?
I like it a little bit.
She likes it a little bit. Yeah. Lita tends to like the things that she wins at, which is not surprising, I suppose.
Not surprising. Not surprising for a 4-year-old.
Okay, guys. Well, we hope you enjoyed our review of the mini air hockey table.
Don't you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video.
That's it. All right. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye.